Now, we've been talking all day, all week, in fact, for a long time, about confidence and optimism in the economy. The latest finding is we've got home builder confidence soaring to its best level in 12 years. Bob Massi is with us, Fox News legal analyst who dabbles a little in the real estate business, I do declare. All right, I am told that the real estate business across the board is really strong right now. Is that accurate, sir?
Yes, it is. First of all, Stuart, thank you for having me on. I always enjoy working with you. And, yeah, let's use Vegas, which we know was one of the hardest hits. It's booming everywhere. Actually, Stuart, when I drive around Vegas, it looks like 05 and 06. There's construction on every corner. The big issue we're faced with, though, there's not a lot of resale inventory.
Yep.
There are new homes going up. So as a result, the prices are sort of going a little higher than they should be.
But now that's Vegas, but across the country we are told that in some areas, including the Midwest, they are bidding on houses that come up onto the market. Some people are saying, I'll buy it for the asking price, and then somebody else comes along and say, I'll give you more than that. So there's a bidding war, moving prices higher. But that's because what you're talking about here, a shortage of supply of homes coming on the market.
There's a couple of things. There's a shortage of inventory. There's bids here. I mean, I go to these things all the time to see what's going on. There's still some foreclosures. People are building on the retail market. There's not a lot of inventory. Investors, not as much as it was like a year ago, Stuart. But yeah, there's a bidding war going on, and it is happening. It's happening in Florida. You know, a lot in Florida, the Midwest. So, yeah, if you don't have inventory. The other issue, by the way, Stuart, that we're experiencing, and I think it could be common, is lack of labor. There's lack of labor. We don't have enough labor to build the homes also that they really want to build. So that's another issue that we're dealing with.
Has that got something to do with immigration?
Yes, it does. Look, being from Las Vegas, the Pacific, obviously the Southwest, I think we have a better sense of what role that has played in the construction industry. I will tell you there are places where I could drive down the road in the morning and see 150 I'm sure those who are here not legally that are getting picked up to do construction. It's not what it was. So there is a labor issue also that we're dealing with.
Now, a lot of the people who watch this program, they've got some money and they're debating, well, where am I going to put that money? Back into the stock market at an all-time high, or maybe into the real estate market? I have the sense that the real estate market is poised for a significant takeoff. Now, that's just my opinion. I may be right or wrong on this, but I want your opinion. Are we poised for the kind of takeoff that we saw maybe in 03, 04, something like that?
I think it depends on the price of the house. If you're buying a house, Stuart, between $200,000 and $350,000, now remember, in Las Vegas, that's a big home. You could buy a 3,000 square foot home out here for $300,000, $350,000. Out here, yes, that's not a bad buy at all. You got to be careful when you start getting up to the $500,000 or $600,000 homes. Okay. Those may not appreciate as much. But again, I am concerned there's an overbuild happening again and an overselling. And if that happens, we better be careful we don't make the same mistake again.
I've got 30 seconds and I have this question for you. On the Strip, they built City Center. Huge construction project. This is a few years back.
Yes.
They couldn't sell the apartments that they'd built. Are they sold now?
Oh, yeah. I just had lunch with one of the premier guys that sells at Mandarin Oriental.
Yeah.
With the announcement, Stuart, of the possible Raiders and the NFL coming here, go buy one today. You're going to make money, my friend. They're selling.
I knew it. Bob Massi, come back again soon, okay? Good to see you again. Thank you, Bob.
The prodigal son returned, my friend.
Whatever you say, son. Thanks very much. Thanks, Bob.